Hello everyone, before going to my video, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon to get instant notifications. So now let's get started. So in this video, I will let you know how to enable developer options. So in Android phone, so first you need to go to about phone, then you need to go to click on the build version for 7 times. Yeah, there you are now a developer. So we just want to check in the settings whether developer option is enabled. So let's go to the settings. I go to additional settings, then scroll down. Yes, now your developer option is enabled. Now just connect to your phone to your PC. Okay, then you can see the debugging option USB. Just enable it. So give OK. So that's it. It's very simple as that. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video. Bye.